And for my next trick, so I've added something new to factor in for a more productive day. So Factor gave me a chance to try 7 out of more than 100 of their meals, snacks, and shakes, which are made to taste good, but also be nutritious. The shipping came fast and everything was expertly packed. Everything came cold. You could tell that these meals were made with fresh, real ingredients, no artificial fillers, and that they were chef prepared. It doesn't matter where you're from, there's a high chance that there is a meal on that menu that's gonna fit your desires. I found something that was Caribbean inspired. This is Caribbean spiced chicken with zucchini. Now, a lot of the times when I go out to film, I don't have the time to eat because I'm just really on the go, but for the past couple of days, Factor has changed that for me. With a quick grab and heat, I can literally dine and dash. This is my last box and my last shake. This flavor is horchata. I think the shakes are my favorite. Now for me, I really love the shakes because they are protein packed and they taste good. And usually on a given day, if I can't make something to eat, shakes are usually my go-to thing. So it's good that they do have shakes. Now, if you're looking for convenient meals, head to factor75.com or click the link below in my description box and use the code that is on screen to get 50% off your first box and free daily green. 1 per box with an active subscription. Free meals applied as discount on your first box. New or returning subscribers only. It varies by plan. Make sure you sign up today.
All right, guys, welcome back to Soai. So the other day, I was dropping off some plates and a guy said to me, he would never thought that I would be the guy showing him his own neighborhood here in New York. He thought he would go to Jamaica and that's where I'd be showing him, you know, spots and places. Now, honestly, I like going for a very good walk and I'm in the Bronx and I'm still surprised that I'm in the Bronx because I've been like walking through some spots. I'm gonna show you a quick B-roll right now of Rice taking me through this kind of like, I wouldn't say it's really hidden, but it feels like it's like a hidden, like a meat shop that is like really Italian. And after seeing all those spots, I'm just like, wow, this, I'm sorry. This don't feel like what the Bronx should be in movies and stuff. So we're at this place right now called Ajo y Orégano, which means garlic and oregano. So my boy Rice is here with me today. We're gonna check this spot out. And what do you think we should try?
Honest to God, they have the best, what they call Boca Chica style red snapper. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I've been to Boca Chica plenty of times and they got it, they got it. And I told Soai, look at, this is previous of us even going in there. It's gonna be probably the best snapper he has had within the Bronx. So
I'm glad you said that because if you're going to tell me the best snapper in the world,
I'm not gonna say that
because I'm like Jamaica. If it's
yo,
not,
I know it's not Escovitch. Trust me.
All right.
I said within the Bronx. I know, because I've been in Jamaica and this snapper is A1. But yeah, we're going to go in here. So it's fried snapper. I like to get it with the fried green plantain, totone, tu sabe. And yeah, it's funny, the last couple episodes, no rice.
Ooh. What a sight. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Where do you want to sit? We sit on this side, it's more quiet. Yeah, I think.
What's your favorite thing to eat here?
Drink or the food?
Food.
Comida.
Food, for me, the fried fish, the red snapper.
What I told you, Soai?
Yeah.
I told him we coming here for the
That
snapper.
one is really good.
Yeah.
You have to try that one.
So in here feels like the DR. Beautiful, beautiful setup. The colors are excellent. And if you've been to the DR, you know the women are also very beautiful. The people are beautiful. So we're here to try this fish and see how good it is. So I absolutely love how this spot feels so tucked away in New York. It feels like I'm in a little part of DR here in a whole different country.
Yeah, camarón con yuca. Yuca frita. Sí.
La yuca fries comes with the garlic sauce too on top. Is that okay for you?
Sí,
Yeah.
perfect.
And onions.
Yeah.
Okay.
See? Está bueno. You want anything else? Drink or salsa or anything? Y el enchulado y...
Try the drinks.
Mira, mi rey. Y él enchulado y todo.
Oh shoot, I haven't had a presidente in a long time. That was good, bro.
Yeah, you know they're a little different out here though. It don't taste the same as they
It's
are.
different than.
Oh, 1,000, but it does not. I tried it and it's horrific.
Yeah,
Yeah, she agree with me.
You got pina colada?
yeah, we have it.
Yeah, I'll do a pina colada.
Wait, what kind of pina colada you gonna do? Virgin?
I'm not a virgin, bro.
No, I'm just asking.
Which one?
No.
Which one do you prefer? The with the rum or without the rum?
With the rum.
With the rum
Or if you want, we can put the rum on the side.
on the side. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Yeah,
You can try the virgin first.
awesome.
Bueno, mi rey, dame un mezcalita. Yeah, sí.
¿Cuál le gustaría?
Oh, ¿qué tú tienes? Vira.
Tenemos casamigos disponible, ¿le gustaría eso?
What kind of mezcal? Which one?
Casamigos.
No. Yeah. You know what I just told her, right?
What did you say?
I said my man is head over heels for you. That's what she. No, it don't mean head over heels. It's like he finds you very attractive.
Oh,
okay. Sí, está bueno.
Déjalo.
Sí.
Okay.
Yeah.
¿Prefiere 2 onzas o 1 onza?
Una onza. Sí, con salsa. Yeah.
¿La
Pero,
quiere aparte
sí,
o
separada, sí.
Perfecto. Anything else?
Caramba.
Okay.
I will go my.
You're not on the menu, so.
Yo,
No for now, you don't need the
Gracias.
prices.
Yeah.
yo, my mom would pinch you on the lip. Salud.
Salud, Soai. ¿Qué tú tienes? ¿Qué tú tienes ahí? I mean, like, what do you have here?
I have a pina colada, virgin
Okay.
version.
Okay. ¿Con qué?
That's good.
Está bueno. Está bueno.
I won't say it's the best I've ever had,
Oh, you never
But-
get the best.
but it's. I can't complain about this. I can taste the coconut. I can taste the
Okay.
pineapple,
Okay.
and this is a virgin version.
Yeah.
But you know, when you lose the virginity, it means that something went in.
Yeah, but ¿qué es eso ahí?
What do I have here?
Romo.
Oh, is this rum? What we gonna do with the rum?
So, I want you to tell them right now. ¿Qué hace ahí? Romo Fair.
Yo.
Out of there.
There's more. I barely put anything in.
My bro, I thought you put the whole thing in there. Yeah, man. That's all go. Yes, sir. Está bueno.
Yo.
Así, mijo. Oye, saludo.
Saludo.
Yo, con Dios.
That's delightful. Typically, I am not a drinker. I will drink socially, but this is a really good pina colada. Like I said, I'm not trying to say, oh my God, it's the best in the world, but like everything that a pina colada should be, this is it. You taste the coconut milk. I can even taste like small little milk chunks of the coconut milk. I can feel a little bit. They dissolve in your mouth. Wow, why for that? But yeah, that's there. The nice sweetness, kind of acidity of the pineapple. Bro, we here for the food, but this is really, really good. So in love with that drink. But our food has arrived. And I have here the shrimp. Boy, this dish looks really good. I had to take it outside for you guys to see what it really looks like. It is super delicious looking, and it comes with a side of yuca if you want. You could have it with tostones, you could have it with rice and beans, habichuela, rojo.
Oh, yeah, they had habichuela, And then they had gandule con coco. That's like a peas, the same peas they use in, I guess, rice and peas, if I'm not mistaken. The comments, please don't kill me on this. I may be wrong. But pigeon peas, right? Pigeon peas, they call it. That's gandule.
Pigeon peas would be more like rice and gungo. Similar.
Okay, yeah, so and then they do it, I guess, I assume, because like, con coco is like, they make it in coconut milk. I would assume. Yeah.
And then over there, he got the snapper fish. He's been talking about the snapper fish like all freaking day. It does look like they have it in Boca Chica the exact same way. It looks really, really good. It's a really big fish, actually. Probably one of the more expensive things on the menu. It's somewhere around like 33 bucks. And he shows a side of tostones. Again, had to show you this under the sunlight. It is absolutely a beautiful looking thing.
See, gracias. Bro, you trying the fried fish first, bro. Yo. Let's take a little dab with the pork with the garlic sauce.
That's the first thing I smelled on the plate, the garlic sauce. It's a really intense,
oh yes,
garlic, buttery, almost kind of like cheesy in another way.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I was like, but maybe because of the
Cream,
texture.
maybe it's that type of cream
yes,
or
it has
something.
some type of cream texture to it.
That's insane.
Yeah, so imagine when you do the fry, plant it in there. But just saying, so, darling.
And I think my yuca, which is cassava, has some of that sauce on top of it.
Yeah, see, yuca frita.
Oh, look at that. Let's try.
Let's see, soy. What they?
Perfect fry. Excellent fry. The
Little
sauce,
sauce in the middle.
soft in the middle, tender. That sauce on top is spectacular.
Yeah.
My only takeaway is
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna look a lot more rustic looking, like in the DR where it's really yuca that they just drop and fry this real home style way.
Yeah.
But it seems like they first boiled
They
it,
boil it
crushed
first,
it,
and then they take
formed
the
it.
stems out. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so removing the stems probably make it a little bit more tender though.
Yeah.
So yeah, fantastic though.
Okay. Again, I want you to take the first bite of the fish, bro.
Everybody knows I'm not the biggest fish fan, to be fair.
Are you serious? I thought you were.
I'm not.
So why you didn't tell me from the
I will eat
beginning?
it. I will eat it. I love fried fish out of all of the types of fish.
Okay.
But let's go with this one. So off the bat, this fish is really meaty. Really, really meaty. Wow.
Yeah, that's soy. What do you think, soy?
It's not often you get a fish that you can say is juicy.
That is a fact.
Because the fish is so big and so meaty, the flesh is almost, it's not chicken-like, but it's almost chicken-like. It's like a chicken breast. It has that juiciness of a chicken breast, which is crazy. Really properly seasoned, not a Jamaican fried fish. I'm gonna tell you that hands down.
I know.
But it's seasoned properly. I can taste the sazon on the skin of the fish.
And the interior too, honestly.
The entire thing is seasoned through. All the way down. Best in the city?
Huh?
Best in the city for you?
For me, yeah, what do you think? Be honest.
I don't have much experience, so I can't say. But in terms of authenticity, Boca Chica.
And I feel like this tastes better than the fish. I had Boca Chica fish twice, I believe. And I feel like here is better.
Wow.
With the garlic sauce.
Bro.
Soy.
I'll come back just for this drink.
Yo, soy.
Let me try one of these.
Yes, sir. That's what I was just gonna tell you.
Tostones, that garlic sauce. That garlic sauce is so intense. It almost has a cloakish flavor of like crab. Like you would feel like there is some form of seafood in there already. Like,
I understand what I'm saying, but I think it's coming from the texture.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, the texture, and then it's crazy. They're both savory, but it's two different savories together, but well balanced.
Bro, this is illegal.
Tu camarón?
So your time in the DR, would you say have you encountered this exact sauce? Because I didn't.
Not the exact, but something similar, yeah. But that was out in Punta Cana. At the time, I went to, this was my first time in DR, went to Punta Cana.
I'm sorry, I gotta get one more. Let's go.
No, go ahead, bro. Don't be sorry. That's what we're here for. We came out of the resort of Punta Cana, and we went on some outskirts type of thing, vibe, and it was dope. And I had the snapper, it was fire there, and it was a sauce similar like this, but not that same texture. You know what I'm saying? It was more on the loosey end. That makes sense, yeah.
If I were to choose though, I'm usually a yucca fan over the pressed plantains, but today the pressed plantains has won. Hands down.
I love my plantain. Hey, I'm not gonna start nothing. I promise you I'm not starting nothing.
This is the shrimp here in that nice garlic sauce. I really hope that this garlic sauce is different from that, because then it becomes a little bit too monotonous for me. But the shrimp, just the way that it's moving, I could tell that it's cooked properly, but let's try.
Good.
The shrimp is cooked really well. The sauce is similar.
That's what I was just about to ask you, yeah.
It's similar, but not as thick.
Okay, that's good. Bro, this fish is so good. One thing I love about the fish, so if you know, you know. Fish is not supposed to have that fishy taste smell to it. You know it's fresh fish when it's just, that's it. You know what I'm saying?
Very light ocean fish.
Yes, correct. And this Boca Chica fish, fried fish, you want to call it, not even a little 1% of fishiness to it. It stays fresh. I'm curious to know, how do they keep the fresh so fresh? And it has to be that they're getting their fresh fish daily. Has to be daily, bro, because, oh my God. It's still digesting in my mind right now, but it's so good.
Bro, I'm already full from that. I'm not full, but
I know you're saying from the consumer.
I'm satiated from that Mexican spot. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. That's probably one of my most pleasant experience having Mexican food here in New York.
How's everything here?
Todo bien, todo bien.
Good.
Say something for the camera.
I think I can enjoy.
And good.
Gracias, mi rey.
So you said you would live in the DR?
Hell yeah. Heck
Why?
yeah. Sorry. Why? Okay. Born and raised in New York. I've been working in Manhattan for, I can't count the years, but I've been working in Manhattan since 2011. Different jobs. Everything's fast-paced, 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 where it's just like, you're racing your alarm clock. Whereas when I was in DR, I get up automatically at 5:36 in the morning. You hear the cock a crow, me cock a crow, and it's just like, yo, it's just slower pace. You can get the day done, get the job done, do what you gotta do. And just the atmosphere, the people. Like, people are just on the hustle and bustle. It's not like, oh, I don't know their politics. How do I talk to them, or how do I talk to this person? No. Everyone's love, caring, good food, good vibes. And yo, Throw on a white tee, some shorts, and some flip-flops. And you can walk a road. People won't bother you over there, bro. People don't bother you. You get in a little car, drive around, and once you move good, you good. Like, and no matter what part of the DR, especially like the countryside, like San Francisco, La Vega, you know, like it's chill vibes. Like you could literally go from one farm to another, and people don't consider it as trespassing. It's like, nah, go ahead, you can walk through my farm. You're gonna see horses, cows, goats, X, Y, and Z. Like, hey, my dream, I want a Porsche and a horse. A Porsche and a horse. You know what I'm saying?
So I have a question.
Yeah.
To see if we have a similar experience.
Yeah.
What happens in there on a Sunday? Like something that on a Sunday you notice in the community.
Wow. So me, you know, Sundays that I was in the yard, I get up in the morning. I'll go to the pastelito spot, get pastelitos, get some chinola, de jugo, go to church, come out of church, and it's just everyone just vibing, man.
Vibing as in how? What do you see them doing?
Like, you got a little difference. Like some people partying, but some people just kicking back, listening to little music, busting one, two, presidente. You know, like it's not so hustle and bustle on a Sunday.
You know, I talk about the domino. Anybody see the people that play domino?
Oh yeah, but I did that on a Saturday. I didn't play no domino on a Sunday because I went to church. You know what I'm saying? That was just my day. But it's true. The dominoes are always there. I'm good with the dominoes. And they were surprised.
And the music is loud as hell.
Yeah. It depends on what part you go to, but
Santo Domingo?
yeah. Bueno.
I thought Jamaicans were loud.
No. Bueno,
Trust me.
they got the chonchero, tu sabes, the big ass speakers, blasting loud. But you know what? I don't care. Dame un ching de romo, con bachata, con típico. You know, I'm all about típico Sundays. You know what I mean? Hey. And I love it. Soy dying. And I'm just like being honest. It's like, you know what I mean? The típico bachata on a Sunday or any day that ends in Y, which is every day. And I love it.
Yo, in my head, I'm thinking like, oh, what day's end of the Y? I'm like, oh shit.
Come on, man.
So, like I always have to say, different countries are not just only about food. There's certain cultures that are in between the food. The food just really connects us because each and every one of us have to eat. You know,
Listen,
but
food is my love language, man. I'm good. Sorry, but food is my love language. It brings people from all over the world together to sit down and enjoy a dish, man.
like us.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. That's where I was going next. Like, look how you understand what I'm saying? From Jamaica, watching you out in Jamaica, big fan. This will happen. You know, you're over here now in the States, and I'm like, oh shit, and now like we're shooting content together. Neither of us, sorry, is Dominican, even though I identify as it. But yeah, neither of us are Dominican, but we love Dominican food. And look, something I learned new about you. He lived in DR for 3 months. Yo, if I lived in DR 3 months, bueno, I don't know what's gonna happen.
When the Nini was running around, papi. Wow, look at this. How do I do this? Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Gentle, thank you.
You gotta open the box and slide in.
Yo, this is our check. So anybody who come here, you know what the cost of these things might be.
So what am I gonna do after this then? Huh? No tiene nada, tú sabes.
No,
Pero un problema ahí, tú sabes.
es un problema.
La puerta ahí, inside, right?
¿Ah?
La puerta.
La puerta, ahí es de todo.
Salud.
Salud, got the mama one on deck. You know what this is? stamina in trouble.
Wow. Just stepped out of the DR and I'm back in New York. That was a really good experience. I felt like I was in a completely different place. And I think if you go to any restaurant, that's how you should feel. You should feel like you are not at home. You know, being in a city sometimes it just gets really, what's a nice choice of words? Somewhat toxic, you feel a bit congested. So when you find these little watering holes that you could go to, meet a couple persons, you know, just have a good old chat, yo, say less. So you were telling me something about the
Mama
shop.
Juana?
Uh-huh.
All right, so the Mama Juana is like, it's cured roots, or sometimes you have to cure the roots on your own. I have some Mama Juana at home.
Let me pause. You got her number? All right, continue talking.
Yeah, so, bueno, cantar, Amir, cantar. You know what that means?
No.
Sing, Amir, sing. You know?
Yeah, go for it.
But anyways, yeah, so you get the roots. It's different type of roots. I like yard roots. You understand? Like horny goat weed, X, Y, and Z, and then I make like woodpecker and stuff like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
But their thing is Mama Juana, and they let it ferment. You get to pick the rum you want, but usually they use the La Fuerta. You know what I'm saying? It's like a wine cooler type of thing. They put that in there, honey, and whatever rum you want. So you can put like Brugal, Barcelona, stuff like that. You let it sit for a couple, like, you know, in a dark spot, a month or so, X, Y, and Z. And it's good for the back. It is good for the back.
Yo, that dog is a character, I swear to God.
I am. As a comic.
All right, we're gonna wrap this video up. We've been
eating. She want. Oh, the star she want. Hey, the star she want.
You know I have to cut that part because the mic is on your throat.
Okay.
So I know it's gonna be loud as hell.
Okay.
But anyway.
Open our belly, me and send this up. Let me go ahead. Sorry.
Yo, we're gonna chip out the video here.
Hey, listen, that's part of the Mama Juana thing, man. You know what I'm saying?
Right, so go on in front, because I feel like
I'm
you're
sorry.
losing.
No, I'm good. I promise you, I'm good.
All right, so we're gonna end the video here. It was a really good day so far. We've been to 2 spots. Check out that video, like I said, the Mexican spot. And we're ready. Well, I'm ready. I can still go for something else to eat. So we're gonna check out the seafood spot that I saw on the way this morning. Yeah, really low price.
There's a saying that I want to say though before we go. Nah, bring it up. This is real. This is like real G shit, right? Listen, you could give somebody everything, right? You can give them everything, but sometimes they don't deserve it. So the best thing to give them is your absence. Because sometimes when you read in the food menu, does it say salt on there? But if the salt is missing from the dish, they gonna miss it.
Yo, that was so deep. All right.
Tell me that ain't so real.
I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. Oh, and that was actually one of the spots. Remember, we're checking out 100 Jamaican/Caribbean inspired restaurants. So that spot is definitely one on it. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Keep the link.